I saw this quote by Burton G. Malkiel that summed up the importance of income statements, and I love it. Basically, he says this: a firm's income statement may be likened to a bikini. What it reveals is interesting, but what it conceals is vital.
Got him!
You pervs, hit it. What's up, everybody? Sean McMurray here with another episode of Analytical Overdrive, investing in 4 minutes, and today I have a banger for y'all. Today you learn the important skill of how to read income statements. This is a Santa Claus pockets poverty escaping skill set to learn. If that hasn't persuaded you to watch to the end, there's no hope. The only thing more persuasive than that is George Lucas convincing Princess Leia not to wear underwear while shooting Star Wars because there's no underwear in outer space. Wait, does that work? I've put together some cool infographics to go along with the video. Watch it in its entirety first and then rewatch it following along with the infographics. This will help you solidify the concepts. 4 minutes? Now, what is an income statement? It is a financial statement that shows you how profitable a business was over a given reporting period. It shows revenue minus your expenses and losses. Basically, it lets us know if you're making money or running through it quicker than the Wolf of Wall Street ran through Quaaludes, dwarf tossing contests, and the finer things in life. How do you find an income statement? By downloading the annual 10K and or using websites like Yahoo Finance. I walk you through the process in this video I did on Balance Sheets Explained. Remember, we follow the concept of MVP or minimum viable product. I want to provide you the least amount of information required to mitigate an appropriate amount of risk so that you can get started as quickly as possible.
What?
I know, if you're new to this channel, that makes as much sense as R. Kelly's response to Tori's question about whether he likes teenage girls.
Do you like teenage girls? When you say teenage, how are we talking?
Check out this video about our adapted concept of MVP. Okay, so remember, we are not doing any analysis in this video. The goal is just to show you how to find the income statement and what data you'll need to perform analysis on in the next video. The important sections to look at are total revenue, sometimes called net product sales, net service sales. It reflects all the money the company has made through the sale of goods and services. Total expenses, sometimes reflected as costs of goods sold or costs of revenue and operating expenses. This reflects total expenses from operations and the direct cost of producing the goods or services sold by a company. Lastly, we have net income. This is sometimes referred to as the bottom line. All net income is total revenue minus expenses equals net income. You want to gather this data going 10 years back. Boom! You are officially smarter than this guy.
Well, the sign says that it's 4 quarters for an hour, but a quarter only gets you 15 minutes. So if my math is correct, that's not an hour.
No, that's not fair. It's really not that hard. If you didn't get it, the whole point of this exercise is to help you understand income statements and identify the important information you'll need in order to perform analysis of that poverty escaping stock pick winner. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the information you've identified to analyze an income statement. If you've made it this far, go ahead and smash the like button. It really helps the channel out. If there's a stock you'd like me to review, comment below and I'll give it a go. Don't forget to Superscribe. Yes, Superscribe, which means subscribe and hit that notification bell so you ensure you get notifications for all the latest videos. I'm Sean McMurray. This is my channel, Analytical Overdrive, investing in 4 minutes. Yeah.